Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add video effects in TikTok. Super simple. Just press the plus button and add in the video you want. Press next, and then press this arrow going down, and then go to effects here and add in the effects you want. I'm just going to go to visual, and I'm just going to add this heart one. You have to press it for a few seconds to add it in, like so. And then you can add in a different one, for instance the 70s one. So just press it for a long time, like this butterfly one maybe. You have to press it though, like that. Once you're done, you're just going to press save on your screen, and that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!